Hi, friends at IU. My name is Joel Wong, and I'm a professor of counseling psychology in the School of Education. The coronavirus has plunged our nation, our state, and IU into an unprecedented crisis. And in the midst of these stressful times, I want to share one habit that I've been able to practice that can be a useful coping strategy. It's a simple and practical and anyone can do it. It just takes 5 minutes each day. So I maintain a gratitude journal, and every day I write down 3 things I'm grateful for. And for each of these 3 things, I provide a reason for why I'm grateful. Why do I do this? There's research showing that grateful people are more physically and mentally healthy. And the practice of gratitude, including the simple activity of writing down what you're grateful for each day, can boost our physical and our mental health. In these stressful times, it's so easy for our minds to hone in on what's negative, what's bad, what's catastrophic out there in this world. And what gratitude does, what gratitude journaling does, it trains our minds to be able to remember and to focus on all that remains good in our lives. And I know what some of us might be thinking. How do you practice gratitude when there's just so much bad news in this world? And the answer is simple. It's really to focus on the simplest, easiest, even trivial things in our lives that we tend to take for granted. So let me share some examples from my own gratitude journal. Yesterday, I wrote about the fact that the weather was sunny and it wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold, and it was just perfect. And I really enjoyed the weather. I also wrote about how my daughter invited me to take a walk with her around our neighborhood. And we took a walk and had this great conversation about her future. So simple, practical things. If you're running out of things to write about, just look around your surroundings, look around your home, look out of the window, look at things that you typically use, things that you take for granted, and just write down what you're grateful for in regard to these things. There are lots of ways to start a gratitude journal. If you don't like technology, simply buy a physical copy of a journal and write using a pen. You can also use something as simple as Google Docs and use it as a gratitude journal. There are also a lot of free gratitude apps that you can use if you want to do gratitude journaling using your tablets or your smartphone. My colleagues and I have even designed a free no-frills gratitude app that you can use. If you have an Apple device, search for Gratitude Journal IU. That's Gratitude Journal IU. You find it. And you're welcome to download it. It's free. But whatever method you use, I want to encourage you to try gratitude journaling. 5 minutes of gratitude journaling each day. I call this habit vitamin G because it's as easy as popping a vitamin pill each day. Try it today and you take care. Thank you.